こんにちは、愛です。Hello, my name is Ai. I'm a Japanese mom who lives in Southern California with my two girls and my partner. In this video, I'm gonna introduce Japanese home cooking. Keywords are easy, simple, yummy, and Japanese. Today, I'm gonna introduce 3 dishes using Yuzu Kosho. So, Yuzu Kosho is the theme. What is Yuzu Kosho? Yuzu is a Japanese citrus. So, it's like a lemon, but it tastes very Japanese. And kosho in general means pepper, salted pepper's pepper, but it can also mean chili pepper. So yuzu kosho is skin of yuzu and chili pepper and salt grind together and fermented, and it turned to be very exciting condiments. So it's condiments. It gives a kick on your food. So normally yuzu kosho is used as condiment. So put on like a fish, like a sashimi, or over the meat, little tiny bit. But actually there are so many use. So I'm gonna introduce 3 dishes. First, just a sauted chicken, and it's a very simple menu. You saute the chicken thigh, and then at the end you just put tiny bit of yuzu kosho and eat. So I just show you how to enjoy yuzu kosho. And second one is a pesto. So yuzu kosho pesto. Pesto you usually use the basil and pine nuts, but today I didn't find the pine nuts, so I used the sunflower seed and ova leaf and yuzu kosho, ova or shiso leaves, and it goes well with pasta. But you can use as like a dressing or use with fish. And third dish is my favorite, yuzu kosho cookie. So this cookie is not so sweet, it's kind of savory, and yuzu kosho surprisingly very good as a cookies flavor, and it's very easy and healthy. So let's see how to prepare 3 dishes with yuzu kosho. And if you find the yuzu kosho in your Japanese grocery stores, please try. You will love it. It's very different, spicy surprise. And if you are new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe and share with your friend. It's very important for me. Our first dish is sauted chicken with yuzu kosho. Very simple dish. So you need a chicken thigh, boneless chicken thigh with skin on, and some yuzu kosho, and some salt, and olive oil. And first, cut off the yellow fat from the chicken, and then make some cut so that you can cook evenly and faster. And sprinkle some salt, and no pepper. Pepper gets burned while you are cooking, so you don't need the pepper for this. And press some olive oil, and we're gonna cook over medium heat whole time, and skin side down. Press the chicken on the frying pan with skin side down, and aluminum foil, make a tent. This is the good way to cook chicken thigh on the frying pan, and cook until the skin gets nice and gold brown and crispy. About 8 minutes over medium heat, and flip over, and again press the aluminum foil tent like a top part to the space, and cook another about 8 minutes until heat goes through. And now this is just a regular sauteed chicken, and then on the top spread tiny bit of yuzu kosho, and it gives a great kick on juicy chicken thigh. It tastes really good. And I'm gonna try, and I know it tastes really good. So yuzu kosho is good with meat, fish, or like tofu. goes well with anything. But chicken thigh with yuzu kosho is my favorite. Sauté chicken with yuzu kosho is my favorite. Our next dish is yuzu kosho pesto. It's great for as a pasta sauce. To make yuzu kosho pesto, you need 1 tablespoon of yuzu kosho, 1/4 cup of sunflower seeds, 2 cloves of garlic, 40 oba or shiso leaves. They are washed already, and 1/3 cup of olive oil. And after washing shiso leaves using kitchen paper towel, make sure you remove the excess water. Next, we're gonna roast the sunflower seeds. Usually when you make pesto, you use pine nuts, but sunflower seeds or walnuts will do too. And roast without oil. Roasting is very important. It gives better flavor. And now we're gonna put everything in a blender. 2 cloves of garlic, 1/4 cup of roasted sunflower seeds, and 40 pieces of oba leaves. And 1 tablespoon of yuzu kosho. And using blender, blend it. And yuzu kosho pesto is ready. And I normally use yuzu kosho pesto for pasta, so I already cooked the spaghetti and just add yuzu kosho pesto and finish with salt and pepper. So I don't have an exact amount. You just taste and decide how much you want to add the yuzu kosho pesto and finish with salt and pepper. And then you can add roasted seaweed. Our last dish is yuzu kosho cookie, my favorite. You need 2 cups of flour, 1/2 cup of sugar, 1/2 cup of olive oil, 2 eggs, 1 tablespoon of yuzu kosho, and salt and pepper. First, in a medium bowl, place the 2 eggs and 1 tablespoon of yuzu kosho, 1/2 cup of olive oil, salt and pepper, some salt and pepper. And using the whisk, mix very well. And in a separate bowl, add flour, sugar, and mix. And add the egg mixture into the flour and sugar mixture. Mix with spatula first, and then using your clean hand, mix. But please don't over mix. Mix until it gets one dough. But don't over mix it. Press the cookie dough on a plastic wrap and make a rectangular shape or square shape, rectangular or square shape, and cover with plastic wrap, and we're gonna keep in the fridge about 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, we're gonna cut into the cube, like a 1 inch square cube. And if you have a black sesame seed, this is optional. Spread black sesame seed over the cookie dough. And we're gonna bake about 20 minutes in preheated oven, preheated 360 Fahrenheit oven. about 20 minutes. And yuzu kosho cookie is ready. This one, amazing taste. It's very addictive. It's not too sweet, and you can taste the yuzu kosho. It's kind of spicy and very good. Thank you for watching. ありがとうございました。